Figs are native to the region of Western Asia that is now Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Iran. The Olympian fig was discovered in Olympia, Washington, and is a choice variety for cool climates as well as warmer regions. Withstanding the test of time, this is actually an heirloom that has been grown in protected site for over 100 years. Olympian fig was confirmed to be a distinct cultivar via DNA testing when compared with the 270 varieties at the USDA Germplasm Repository in California. It was introduced in 2014. Olympian fig bears fruit at an early age and has an abundant early first crop. The large purple figs are the size of tangerines and have a sweet, dark inner pulp. The first crop of fig will ripen in late May through June, followed by the main crop, which will come September through November. Figs prefer moist soils with lots of organic matter. Consider adding shredded bark or compost when planting if your soil is poor. Growing fig trees in containers is quite easy, provided the roots have enough room to expand, and can also be pruned for bonsai or espalier. Fig trees go dormant and shed their leaves in the winter. This is an ideal time to prune. The best companion plants for figs are comfrey, wildflowers, strawberries, and lavender. Ideally, companion plants attract pollinators, build healthy soil, repel pests, and are visually appealing. Depending on shade and spacing, some companion plants can even be planted directly underneath the fig plant. Figs are a good source of dietary fiber, which is beneficial for a healthy digestive system. All figs are high in potassium, calcium, iron, and vitamins A, B6, and C. Drying figs will increase the protein and fiber content of the fruit.